Congratulations non tuba kuthura deputy majority sorry. Now bere twetakire manto chibitari na rabora hero. I understand kuna public participation ya municipality Nkubu. Yokinyana.
About public participation in municipality Nkubu, I'm not aware. Na ndistakeholder wa town ya Nkubu. Ntigwitike public participation. Nontu mbere ema imuchemone jo tatumiritwe imuchemone jo athithitwe awitho nontu gatwaigawa tunyoni muntu nau tukiuga tukuigwa ngavana nejite Nkubu ngavana nejite Nkubu kuri njuma irathirire na tutimukario Nkubu menya imbi ngavana ejirite na kinya nteto uche kuga public participation ni thithirwe na municipality Nkubu ya kurukwa ntigwitiki nteto cia manontu public participation berema getumairwa igatumirwa kiri nyomba cia nteto igachoka igatumirwa kinya makathitine kenda antu baumira baiji abejete kurita maoni lakini public participation ni tithiwa muchemanyo jwa impromptu ka muchemanyo jwa ndaikeu jwa gafra na muchemania akali kana stakeholders batije kwa uyu ntumbo meta public participation na kinya aregeta tukami challenge na inya tukami challenge even in a court of law non tutiumba kuthithia public participation secretary yes akaliba Nkubu ndo mwentaije ndari invited ni mutongeria na ndi mutongerio munene ndene MERU ndari invited na ntaije ngavana nejite public participation ndene ya Nkubu ndathuganitie ni achore bawe no actually ni achore bawe bamuretete Nkubu mheshimiwa Makasi ule othuri ndene area Nkwene kana wondi Nkwene na no rungamirite Nkubu ateri kwina muchemanyo na atareo na atamenya kethe ikware public participation Makasi atamenya twari nawe muchemanyo jwa Kuthuuja Meru County Fiscal Strategy Paper Nairobi iro twaigwa ngavana usinikin eta Nkubu kuga kuthia public participation iwe tumba kwa public participation Martin
kambori atri bombere Bruno kabote kwenda municipality Nkubu kana
goto
ekuru wanio since
for some time now
actually kumeitara munya
I think municipality Nkubu kakwina issues ile akaliba Nkubu benda cia unrest even before we talk about the municipality na ikiatu minkuga it is important Thirikari involve all the stakeholders relevant stakeholders tingavana weto sneak in no sneak in na ntu inya baraba yete into byantu ya muinge iboba go sneak na bo in weto kurukia municipality utiumba ugo gwetania na mwamba ore uyete antu weto kurukia municipality so the issue is kethira kuingavana wa kurukia municipality na involve all stakeholders bakarende ba sort out issues iria igwa affect antu ba Nkubu iri gutuma barega mantu yo municipality without their issues being addressed ndenda kuga mbere umburia kiuria kingi Martin antu ba Nkubu tukurega municipality but barenda an organized way of doing things kethiri public participation ne public participation antu ba kumenya itangaswe antu ba umire bere Thirikari thina ciao then they make a decision from an informed point of view
neno kumea governor sometimes mwaka mudhiru was it awire atri municipality Nkubu ikiya bwende kana bure abukunde ya kwinini
isa sawa gatukunde na ya kwinini but undi enda kwira MERU ju governor county ya MERU atongeretie MERU aina obligation ya kuthiria kana ya solve the na chionde ile iku affect antu bawe kou ngavana atumba kuga gakundi antu municipality ya kwinin akaritia amba baraba yete ithaka bya muinge Nkubu indi akundania municipality ya kwinin you see governor ina responsibility ya ku protect into bya muinge bitiga kuiwa na ndina kuonania no ga ku promote mantu jo no ntu baraba kuia iba gwetania nabo ati kwenda gwetania baraba yi ari enda gwetania baraba kuia so out ne ataomba gukundia kuia antu gachokoka okabakundia biraba yete ya kwinin I think the governor is getting it right
antu abo kuibe yete iwanje bya Nkubu ni tionto bate wati ndito tumaamba yatiko
ule obui kuba gwatano ule obabui kuba prosecute no
kinya wowe mutongeria wina rutha ro wita kotini uengania na ngania ibayukirie plot namba na ine mwingi na nechokwe
na ndi gwita kotini naku wananchi bara bayeri bate kumba gwita kotini bali wangavana na batethia no tuingugewe it is just utikunindi gwita kotini kenda intobia mwingi birabi ibichokwa ewe ngugie thirikari ka thirikari ngugewe rimbi kotini the courts are expensive koti gate kinya miaka 20 koti na ndini atwite kotini ni municipality etere tugambe miaka 20 you see the government iri o solve the nature wananchi thirikari yu ni ongugie thirikari utiumbombira uni mbite kotini na ni ntobia muingi tibia kwa personal ibia muingi tukaragwa no ithirikari so ingugie thirikari and I emphasize ingugie governor Kawira Mwangasa utegera masirai jantu banku bubonde na antu baraba sarudite area eu akona baraba koseri akagerio batethia mbere ambiria kuba threaten ate akaba kundia ja kwinini abarega nyako mtu akarega kwa myakanywa akara kumeria no kundia mtu akara nyako meria agatwira ande so you see
after all miunda land iri Rungurua County, right?
Yes, recently leto ategaira the annual development plan department imoja na proposal ya kuthithia kieni gya Nkubu stadium Shaba stadium twabera utumba kugokaramia kieni gya Nkubu kuthithia kieni gya Nkubu stadium kiki on the nusu gitigera gakuota so go fast and reclaim the party tia kieni chine antu bokomenya nyabwe bwije then butwiri bokuthithia kieni gya Nkubu stadium utumba yes ni tutrauga nyani ntije no ibaba ije the stakeholders of course
ibaba na documentation
they are the custodians the county government no custodian ya public land yonde so they know they are the custodians ibaije kieni gya Shabai ekarenjingana ibaije ikingana getiona ikingana getigere na iba kumenya kiu kingi no inakyo so they cannot just tell us bejite kuthithia kieni already geteo so that is what we told them go fast reclaim come and tell us nyeki any size ngana we ukwenda kuthithia antu bankubu because there may be no value for money.
Let's move away from that twari rimantu ya MERU level 5 moshi nurari nao level 5 how was it,
how is the situation
situation ground ge kariate
ibwega and enda kuira muthikiria na mutegeri that situation ire MERU level 5 keda tekumenyania the level 5 kai 6 kai whatever this situation ni njega na ndenda kuira muthikiri orira tukuga itugwita 100 kilometers per hour na tukauganga kabianga ntenda inyoka gweta ni nontu buru ntenda kwitha ndi WhatsApp group neu ntenda gweta nteto yu it is very disappointing kana ikirigaria mono kwithira sibitari iria weta gitandene antu bakirara antu bathatu na antu bau kabajitwe antu bau abajitwe na bate ajitwe murimo jumwe rira gitanda
kiki mbere kiana atia
gatanda ka sibitari actually igatanda kanini mono mbuga igatu by whatever by 6 gatanda ka ukethira mwe mama tegete nde ungi ategete ndera ungi kenda bomba ku mama gatanda
kau
yes kinya arume so and waria kiuria kiu the most surprising thing CEO wa sibitari utikia kumenya anything about management ya sibitari.
What do you mean and she's a CEO?
CEO atikumenya anything about management ya sibitari. That is the most surprising thing. manjira maingi
CEO wa sibitari ya level 5 no because sorry for asking because
no baringi transfer actually batora kwa haraka you cannot even know who is the CEO
Moni ande mheshimiwa DCC
nande si mantu ja CEO wa MERU level menya undragerire kuria biuria mono au karaitwira atije ndamuria how long have you been here ambira imeri ere ndamuria now can we be able to access the previous CEO la wale ombere no ntunande no ntunande those are the things that we don't know kamuria who is the your predecessor to muchweno to this is the person now who should be having the information about the management of the hospital agatwira CEO karitirwo tu ende areo na hospitali areo area atwira areo area so watega the level of mismanagement ire hospitali eu ni nene mono no even the CEO is being micromanaged the CEO is being micromanaged
by who
nte kumenya boega no micromanage but of course it is the county government of Meru maybe the CEC no to ndatega kulingana na mantu jarandirona no call short so actually there is no need even of having a CEO in Meru General Hospital kaba CEC wa health yaka take over akendelea kurani sibitari
si wengwa indaitare so I can manage also the hospital
nandi the problem with thirikari ya governor Kawira Mwangasa inayo is that only I don't know menya the responsibility ya CEC kwa mori I don't know CEO no tori tangu geu I don't know so at the end of the day who is accountable kithombo chanyo gitrunamba kira thirikari neu gitrunamba utimba kumenya
thirikari ndiru ya kireitu murungi iyo ka sibitari think ya rina itanda mana yele ya something
yes
if I remember very well sibitari kinye wodi kinyete na
actually
to be 200 and something
240 beds
240 yes.
Actually you ni one of the facility that turariungire goro na eu na nio irari na thina Bruno to CEO ni arago tikia kumenya about it completely CEO no to she is 2 months old na I think even the kakukethera gutina ini gutina kwina thina governance no to even if somebody is 2 months old no mwakathiru handing over report erwe aja gukariuju but haratwirire what kia kumenya about it kapsa but the information we got is that building ni complete actually we turathiurukire quit is complete but irirwa contractor ata hand over the building na building ni thirite miaka iri utiwe thithirwa
Nekiro lift
Nito Twitter
end over. Nobody has information. That is why I'm saying. That is why I'm saying, Bwana Gichunge. Nobody has any information. I was asking, nonto baliuganga ya kawaii national government na county government tukaboria where's the MOU you know if there is their documentation nonto kukethera a project ikithithe way both levels of government ikwithera kwina a memorandum of understanding on the roles of each and even kethera imbecha about contribute how much these will contribute and the other one ninganaga contribute so the issue irankugere enene ikwithira kwina gitrunamba gikingi mono no tutikumenya what is what tukoria atiri 140 million in allocate in the previous budget kuthira thai 140 million na nothing has been done. Nothing is happening but tikumenya procurement process yare kinyete utukumenya yani you see there must be progress ketha kwina allocation kinya kethira ngugita kinyanira those in charge ibabu ikuthora bakira antu bakauga atiri mbeche ici cia 140 million we are at this stage tutakomiti mbeca buru but procurement process has started ino kwerora nkuga
Mheshimiwa re
nandi gutukumenya anything gutukumenya about 140 million gutukumenya what has
I know
happened
neighbor requested 100.
nandi iba requested another 100 for the same na baliuga the 100 million for the same purpose era 140 million yaete allocated. Yes, we have the documents.
Okay, Mheshimiwa kambori atire.
Yes.
You know, mumeru ara karindi thai kinya we ari atire. Assembly kinya yo should equally share the blame ya kwithirwa atire mwanka thai 2 years contract atanenkanira cibitari na ethirite ngwe the assembly should equally be blamed no to kwithirwa atire kwina committee ya health ya assembly 2 years batenda kumenya na ate cibitari jiri batengire milioni 140 batenda kumenya milioni iji na inacirite mwanka thai katwe mweri yo muthie yo quarter ya ithatu ya mwaka na bado ni ndibuku ya kumenya ati 140 ira twabunenkere butatumira na ite kuonekana so kinya babu equally you share the blame Mheshimiwa.
I agree we share the blame lakini ndenda kwira mumeru that is why it was necessary to change the house leadership no to house leadership ira turari nyo mumeru na kumenya chairman yo health no roreta gwonka etagwonka ati uria kiuria utumba gwita gwonka ochoka uria kiuria chairman yo health ateta muchemani nyajo moyo committee health ya gwita utega mantuja county ura ya gwita so you can see after we changed chair wa health twathura cheo mweru has taken charge na araugire tukariunga cibitari cionthe tukiona status chairman urorareo utingitie kinya statement then department health nonto ariringirwa thimu akerwa tukarie you understand so that is why we have changed the house leadership na twauga muntu wonka wonde otigite agakarira ndene mbunge nonto atikureka antu balita ngugira babu ikugita atia kurita twauga nete agonka kare no onke na atu tutigwo tugite atia tuite ngugi so you can see now from batu to change house leadership na to change kinya committee leadership na mbi you can see there is a lot of work that is going on but before there were issues in ene mono especially kuri leaders betu ba county assembly bara twalitire batingire kawitia statements weta ya statement baba lingira babera usirete si mimi ndio nasema
Mheshimiwa mumeru aruri atire so bunge ni raliongire cibitari ya Meru General na bwana mathina yara ya ikuo ni talire ku do they have any powers above that kando na kwethwe balio aliongire na batwira bora mantu ya kari is there anything else bomba kwethia kienda kwa kishati antu betu unajua eoro kuri mtu wo mora turingire thimu atwira mwachi airumwe pye kuria landu imwe na ura wititwo mole cibitari atitikirwe tana bya kuria so kando na kwithirwa ati antu bakumama batha twitandene kando na kwithirwa ati batina nurses bakwana cibitari baba cibitari batikuona kinya bya kuria bya kwana so mumiru na kuria ati kana mtura we na mwachi because anyway twende twe candidates ba cibitari right ba wita cibitari so kinya uni no mbori ati Mheshimiwa kando na kwithirwa ibora aliongere cibitari what else can you do kana yo mwisho yenu
I think ora ndauga batwe tuli county assembly ya Meru we have powers na twina njira cia gutethia Meru tutiumba kwithira tutina njira cia gutethia Meru ketha tutina njira cia gutethia Meru then tutingita kuriunga tutingita gutega the status of health in the county no to actually county ambairia au Meru level 5 then it trickle down to the other hospitals batu turi assembly ya Meru tukachiumia ura tumbika ku make sure that antu betu bakona services ntukwinginda aritia ndauga for example department ya health era proposite mantu jatina ngugi buru kiri the annual development plan ja kuthithia mwaka juju wa thirikari but we have said that batu tutukwenda ngugi ciotheri urona bekirite mbeca kona million 50 cikirisha sensitization million 50 inge creating awareness inge the same thing ikaiwa different names kende wambe mbeca touga utiumba kuga you are creating awareness kiri antu bajitwe no tubagurira ndawa So we are going to allocate more funds cia kugura ndawa na tuhakikishe ndawa ikugurwa. This time, you remember the other time, Martin and Karemi, you remember the other time Rangavana around Chanda, was Nara Spitali, etere, adinga to chairman your health, adinga to Bangingu, query to rengire, leadership, betaba Gavana Kurandawa. Na ndawa icio they can distribute twandene Meru County lakini no kumenya bila biaguri utiko kiagurio yari mabogisi ya bandage mabogisi ya into bitena bitene to mina into bila bingente kwenda kugweta bila kirinya gweta
na kirinya ni umwetekeria
ni umwetekeria kugweta biwero ni to bakugweta bakato ni ja jojuri and you know those most of those things yachi ya no irembi ire donations beheta ba divya cinema au ba kora nchindawa. And I want to tell you this time round ndawa no mwanka igurwe na masibitali yaikirwe ndawa the moment bakeja kuthithia masinema mtu agekirwa mirigi. I want to tell you then number 2 ewe issue ndawa turenda ku allocate more funds gikugurira antu ba Meru ndawa no ntutumba mbira mwajirira jitu ori wondine ukamuthiria awareness ye atina ndawa atina ndawa. Creating awareness is okay. A small percentage of the budget can be there for creating awareness to preventive issues to prevent diseases. But then you tumba wikira big chunk ya budget wikira kirembi kiri awareness na gutindawa so tuka make sure antu ba Meru bakugurwa ndawa na tindawa cia masinema ndawa irigeta mwanka our health centers our level 4 and 3 hospitals kenda antu ba Meru bomba ku access ndawa from even the grassroots level. Number 2 turauge number 3 twauga tugekira mbeca cia kwandika nurses kwina nene ndene county ya Meru na inderere CC o health tutegene goro ndamwira CC utumba gutwira kore abule thirikari kere mi kwandika nurses na proposal era twaleterie kwandika na turaleteri proposal kwandika MDF ibuje MDF ibau turaleteri proposal kwandika MDF twauga tutumba kwandika MDF turaleteri proposal thirikari county Thirikari county ya Meru iraletete proposal kwandika MDF bagwe bwinda ibuje MDF.
What do you mean MDF?
Bai tango gere ko JD job description
bandiki ba kwandika MDF
bate andiki kwandika MDF lakini kinyake thei bandiki ni enforcement officers baratu ina boy baba ingi mono na bate kule mwingugi bangi bakwenda kwandikwa turera bale andikwa angai 500 angai 100 ibagwetao. So and you know the department enforcement itina shortage ya staff. Thirikari iti andika na ara gutina shortage ya staff. Ebu ikwandika na hospitali ibure igirwe hospitali na thina na acio mwari udumia aje 50 to 64 na abu ikundumia 5 na hata na acio momba kundumia aje bau bonde. Honestly speaking it is not possible. Ndari mwalimu mwes aundumia gathate utumba kundumia more than that. Kwa unasio mwana no kumenya care very intensively akomba kundumia atia. So what we are saying tuliuga atire turi county assembly ya Meru batwe uti recruitment ikathithwa kaire ya personnel etine etomi etina services cia kuofa ndene county ya Meru turenda tawire mbere ma alimu ba ICD bandikwe no tukwina shortages tuchoke twite ki health ni wembecha andike health personnel tuchoke twite other key sectors ire kwenda technical officers ba utethia mwananchi like agriculture extension yethirire Bruno ntu extension officers utina boburu but somebody is proposing kwandika ba undauga ba MDF tutitikiria. So that is the direction we are moving.
1 minute hold on watela wa utuchoke take health lakini ko weta ECD ndari kana ECD ari mo ba ECD bare andikwa achari ba benga batu benda indi watetheka atia
gutina thina issue ira ya chiari kubenga what had happened kakwagire ka problem kidogo, but I think the problem is being solved. What happened achiari kana schools na inyaba hatutule assembly itwa propose twauga if possible na kukiumbikana mwalimu uri oicindi one utwire gwitana school eu miaka 15 at a small stipend kanini no kumenya kara bari agwa ni achiari gantu kanini our priority aewe priority. So no advertisement kana advert yura ya umire itaumire you know kuira kuthithinya internal adverts ya thitherua to the public. So ekuthithwa to the public service bond egwetanio kuthithia ngugi yao bathithia professional ura babu ikugita atia kuthithia bakauga let the best candidate win na the best candidate yako win then there came a problem that ashari nabo baina mtu wao ro twire 15 years. However iturari twacemanirie na department na twarikania na ande how we are going to do it to advise to abera they can do as an internal advert for those who have been there kenda gutika na problem no tuketha kwina an internal advert then gutika na thina we bagachwanjire ura bagagerio tethia
aciari mamwe bauga ati
those that have been there
aciari mamwe bauga ati arimu bamwe bara bandikirwe baretirwe ni MCAs.
Actually, to be specific, igoji kwena chair baugire on camera Martin bauga a relative I think of the staff wa MCA no ret chukuru fulani na mwarimu warojo no itanite miaka 16 akire yagwa ni chair na bauga iba madrete kinya some of the MCAs elected.
That one I'm not aware. Kendra ku MCA waikirie nonto even the MCAs actually kamboire that may not be true nonto gitumi it may not be true. MCAs iba baregete nyaba postwa ibuje bari kuruti October. MCAs bauga nonto batirandikire antu bara bari school iu there should be no posting na toeta ndo committee education na toeta department twabera they cannot post those teachers lakini nande tu kinyamwe nonto nabo ana bawi bae baruga chi appointment public service bond tuona mwana atumba kwewa baruga public service bond achoka baruga we withdraw onto the public service board cannot do that. All the processes have been done. So ndenda kuga inyabara barungikite posting yeu I committee education na MCAs bond ba complainite. So allegation yeu kuga MCAs ba imbecha no been disputing onto itu twarungikite posting yeu until recently when we sat down with the department tuona wala tumbotethia kinyaba ubangi batigarire. So I may not buy that but if it is true I really don't know. Ntumba ku main dispute na ntumba ku it is true.
Fair enough. So mheshimiwa tukiaria mantu yayo ndhe amwe na ndawa cibitari ne amwe na cibitari kwithirwa itena nurses bakwana na oversight yenwira buku bwithia report ya control of budget ya nusu ya mwaka ya 2023-2024 irona ni ati governor Kawira Mwangaza na improve it na 411% ya absorption ya mbeta chia county from I think around 78 million to 200 and something million. Yet now ground in iboku Kawira ati kutangwe
ibwaga Martin kinyago kethra kwina report ya control of budget kinya babingwitikia bole akariba MERU county teka bole badara kanithi kana ba Isiolo county and gutewe ruti uto Isiolo le aja ujingwitikia I'm fairly informed that utemo kari ba Isiolo le aja kinya ba obwe bole akariba MERU county ibo guteka bukona ngugira iti ikeja kwithira kuri o iriti na absorption ire 200 or whatever percent itanda biubia MERU level 5 bitithira bitekiri miaka iri na bikegita atia bikiaro kitairwa mbecha na teibi wake irasibe isindi bila biaro keti mbecha the first financial year ikreito murungi mbere the first financial year nonto atigete athia budget ya 2022-2023 bitakwa na mbeca isi aroketi na itathiro supplementary mbeca budget siri aroketwa 2023-2024 no biaroketi the same classes biaroketi mbecha no tikio kirambiria gwakwa kinya an inch na kiri proposal ya thai ya 2024-2025 no biaroketi mbecha so absorption yeu if it is there then Meru county no ntu maendeleo tukuona no ngabo tuire kabigwita gwakwa kana mbecha igo igwitwo tumirwa in our neighboring counties igatumirwa Tharaka Nithi igatumirwa Isiolo no ntoni from where I sit oni uti maendeleo ni kuona narangwitira na maendeleo jara yonde ukugwa yake arirwa jana level 5 hospital turaliongere goro actually ugatega nothing has been done for the last 2 years so maendeleo jauri kana mbecha yure kasi absorb na so biubio biuria bila tukethera tukiura ya ngavana tukamwira athiurukire akiuga kwina maendeleo maratasine thaici kwanza iriona ndente kumenya maendeleo inya maratasine ndikumenya inaja gwitani no utikio
for example 140 million you betetie bokuona imbiethithitie
utikethithitio no ingwirira kaire ndauga turiuri atiri no tumwaka tajura thira buru ndi ajutete kuthira kinya gukethera utikio bigorire in the procurement process ka processes cia gwitangugiri itibuiko tha ciambirite tukerwa tukinyite ya na atirasima tandabie thire bigori bire hospitali thai but then the processes should have started no tugatwitite the last quarter of the financial year twakinya the last quarter of the financial year ngugi uyomba kwejanwa ikaejanwa mwisho nare murio kaewa ikinya kureta menya ikinya kuthithia na deliver na ari wa ikuingirwo mwaka it becomes a pending bill so I think thirikari na inyotha obubu na uzembe angaindi ne antu bati kumenya gwita I really don't know
so the department as important as Ogimbabo Mwiri mheshimiwa ni tu thirikari batwetera mwaka last quarter kenda bambire manto procurement
na ndinte kumenya nyethera beterete the last year biomba kuthenya ibia procure muko nonto utikuigwenya baraba in charge batikumenya you see now tutije nyetha beterete tutije no ngatukaewa report another problem
wenene so atikumenya
CEO atikumenya
chairman wa committee assembly atikumenya
nothing na number 1 twetia statement iteja ndiona solution ikwenga antu bani no ntu nandere ikeja kwithirwa gwo tikio kumenya utikio wetua statement utenenkanira worua biurio tikio kumenya na ndire sure turie mburie kiuria ki is somebody in charge somebody is not in charge na kethira ele in charge ari in charge elsewhere tare aye ingugi no ntu timbombira antu bau batikumenya what is happening na kana na ingugine bali
so ni kwari na petition ya kuinga some of the CCs ba county ya Meru what happened
petition ire twamithikirire na twa conclude and ndenda kwira Mumeru ndamithingatire mono I was very key there te mantu ya kwirwa na at the end of the day tuonere batikurita ngui bwega na twathithia recommendations tietu twathirie twikiria ngavana nontu mbere ma no ubatere kubatikira action kana kuba ndinje nontu ni antu bawe no ba appointed na batikurita ngui bwega na Iowa timelines cia ku act on that report kwa timelines ingwitikia spana icithiri na we are taking action kore antu tukania Martin I want to tell you for sure and you can take this to the nearest bank tuaneti antu
okay so mheshimiwa mbitikire tuchoke kanini kire manto ya municipality oringi kaili now kire kuona physical strategy paper ya 2024
yes
kire physical strategy paper ye barua kire budget ya mwaka ya 2023-24 nibo amisire mbechire babati kuona kana county ne misire mbechire abati kuona 12 billion plus lakini birabi ejire ni 11 billion itomino ntoba kwethirwa ati grant imwe iraberegerete itejire na batombere kwethirwa bekinyaniria oti bwa own source revenue so now tukiaria mantu ya municipality most of these municipalities I don't know kethibo kweta but kire thirikari ndiru mbeche nyingi ira cia especially cia wikira cabros kire municipality cia kubwithia some of ngwiri mwira cia rita wakini municipalities cia umakire grant iji na grant iji ite kuonekana now grant ni raniere na iniete bonene so mheshimiwa tukiambiria tuita mantu ya municipalities weji tukiongela municipalities weji nina ikona mbecha because twite whether mbecha weji 3 billion is ya development inochika na wokire municipalities and all that.
I think Martin, I agree with you. Grants cia ira nyingi cia nyire lakini kinya ugwe ri ukieja na utethio ri wa thirikari ti kumba gwitango ibwege gwitango ge kithombo chanio. I want to tell you most of the development partners have withdrawn. They have withdrawn their support to bate kuona value for their money. Kinya ugwe ukinenkana ira mbecha ciaku inyo gitethairia muritwa kuthoma akara kugwata ngirindi njaga akagwata ai
unawachana naye
ugo komwirana ndi ugo no tuikura mwanjo nkugurira nditangi. So the development partners are pulling out na MERU ibamenye development partners kaba pull out not because of the county assembly of MERU but no ntu bakithombo shanyo kira kiri thirikari ne county ya MERU no ntu they are not accountable. Na then development partner joria kiuria kiu turora iya goro akarega akaga ansasiri akaeja na mbecha kairi no uko nobody is in charge me abonde bari baraitanirwe kanini karaga kuga it's not me oh right it's not me well it's not me it wasn't me so at the end of the day there's nobody who is accountable there's nobody who is responsible so how do you expect development partners bendera kunenkera thirikari account ya MERU mbecha kinya unde the partner antinenkanira because somebody must be held accountable
mheshimiwa yet
na keu ikyo governor aliebera ka it wasn't me na raitanire sisi bawe bonde mtu ali nya twamwita assembly yako it wasn't me
now the CEO
the CEO akauga it wasn't me so who is it
yet mheshimiwa amidst mantu yayo on the President William Ruto and a very high regards to governor Ekuru na riwa governor ba mwanja bongeleke.
I think president is right. The president is right. Na inkuira president yendereo support Ekuru no today mo Ekuru. Na issue the ne MERU te Ekuru. It is not a matter of being female. That is why we are getting it wrong. The ne MERU na imbugite maitaja maingi ikwaga capacity na no kumenya indabwirire okairi ugo gaita mwalimu ona sare ukajukia mwalimu ona sare umukia university ageta gwitana no kinya akathiria miaka 10 yanya ethere imwe ekuru ethira imwe aimwari ethira imukuru that one can never deliver. Atumba kunderiva no to one you know what is taught at the university murito ora wita kuthoma university no gwata a mwalimu ona sare no agwete ndi so you understand the mathematics so they nera tu ni MERU na ndenda MERU baigwe na inya mtu onde ore MERU na outside MERU aigwe it is not a matter of being a female it is not a matter kwithira imwe ku gender governance gender governance is how you do things nonto ngenda kwaria uma sonko na nenkero Nairobi araremwa kari mwekuru na waitito no kumenya bo backgrounds ciao no kumenya education wise who they are banenkera bararemwa teu kabare ekuru so igetu mkuga president ya right to support ekuru but you see rirote kunderiva oretho mwekuru oretho rento murume oretho orimbi that is not an excuse you should deliver on your mandate whether you are kedro mwekuru koro rento murume so president ngumusupport mono nende no support ekuru simply because kule ekuru bakundu very well but then mbere ongita gechunge ndenda kuga but then ekuru baro kuona bakindu very well for example Gladys Wanga ule wa Homa Bay she's a graduate from Kenyatta University like me so yes and graduate and genuine graduate and genuine
is the one
well genuine is the one and genuine graduate well and genuine graduate ora umbaguria classmates ba wakonia ora umbaguria lecture were athoma iraga kwira Kenyatta University are na lecture zieta wa arts zone 39 na science zone 39 akwira na athomera arts zone 39 those years and that's why I have the capacity ndina brains na ndina ome wa kwatha county ya Omambe and nakuthithia very well ko kwenda ruto arego support ekuru baba kuthithia boega na Gladys Wanga. So what I'm saying the neto Meru is one kwaga capacity kwatha na nkauga ou miaka 5 because that is the problem. That is the problem.
Okay. Now, very quickly, tubina tanto boku akiri Facebook fan page yetu no tunkuwa na baingi sana. Marua boss lady arua today. Martin, good morning. Salimia Honorable ZIPPORAH and our Queen Karimi. Yani, what she is advocating should be taken seriously. Is government hospitals, especially MERU level 5, are not treated. People are not treated with respect and courtesy. What is happening? Ni kama tu unapeleka mgonjwa afe a slow death in the same in the name of hospital, no attendance at all, no medicine, only paracetamol as pain reliever. If our leaders can speak like Honorable ZIPPORAH, MCA Mwenda Kirinya, Mwenda Idhili, tungekuwa tunasikizwa na Governor Kawira, but advisor wa our governor ni watu wa kujali tamaa zao wenyewe na sio masilahi ya wananchi. We are in 24th in the 21st century. We need to see, not to hear. We see, we believe about, and ECD mwalimu atoke home area period. Health facilities, empowerment of youth should be oversighted. Boss lady, youth representative at the Rogaiti ward. Kuna wengine wakiri Facebook arua hata Kawira alikuwa graduate, alikuwa kifunza secondary school. Okay. Kawira ako sawa kuliko gavana wengine mbeleni isipokuwa MCAs na siasa zao mbaya. Alitwa James Mwirigi. Asante James. Na we Jackson Mudhuri arua for heaven's sake, even for us as the people of Jia, we are not pleased with the so-called public participation being held at MCK Kidare. Is a discrimination to the people of Lower Jia. To be fair, the so-called public participations should be carried out at Chief's Camp at Motene, or possible within Jia Boys, for people to make it to the venue. James Mudhuri arua okay no okuwa manto public participation gaki mothe arua ZK. The depth of knowledge is intriguing, and the bravery in vocalizing the issues is worthy emulating. You have all the information on your fingertips. Ziko mingi tu sana. Mheshimiwa asante sana na ntoba kuona kanya kakweya na kwena comment nyingi sana kile Facebook fan page tu, please unaweza zipitia kidaona kinyana hata ntoba kuwa maybe you can be able to address some of the issues ndaba kuridi au kile Facebook fan page tu. Asante sana.
Okay, thank you so much Mheshimiwa ntoba kuona kanya kakatha chetu chia tuika muthikire tumekotha tukirikire no menita Queen kwani nilijoin Queen.